Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Ali's Biology. In this video we will discuss about the gaseous exchange in plants. So if we talk about the gaseous exchange in plants, so we have the gaseous exchange during the daytime as well as during the night time. Although the gaseous exchange in plants takes place during the daytime as well as during the night time, but differently, because if we talk about the gaseous exchange in plants during the daytime, during the daytime carbon dioxide will be taken in and carbon dioxide will be given out, because we can say photosynthesis will be taken place during the daytime. So at that time stomata are opened, so that's why the gaseous exchange takes place in plants during the daytime will be taken place through the stomata. So carbon dioxide will be taken in, which is the reactant for the process of photosynthesis, and oxygen will be given out, which will be the byproduct of, we can say, this photosynthesis. Now some of the oxygen will be utilized in the respiration, but most of the oxygen will be, we can say, taken out from the plant body, because rate of photosynthesis it is much higher during the daytime, and we can say rate of respiration it is much lower. But during the night time the opposite, we can say, mechanism will take place. Now during the night time we say the rate of respiration will be higher and there will be no photosynthesis, because the stomata, they are closed, which are responsible for intaking the oxygen. And second thing is that there is no light, so during the night time we can say purely respiration will take place. So we can say this respiration, for this respiration what will happen, oxygen will be taken in. So that oxygen will be taken in by the plants. In case of, we can say, a young plant, the young roots are responsible, their general body surface is responsible in order to, we can say, obtain the oxygen, or in order to absorb the oxygen. But in case of the higher plants which possess the bark around their stem and their branches, so these we can say barks, they possess the small pores which are called as lenticels. So lenticels, they are responsible for, we can say, absorbing oxygen and taking out carbon dioxide. So this is the diagram which shows the internal structure of the leaf. This is the transverse section of a leaf. So here we have the upper epidermis, and then it is covered by the cuticle, which is a waxy layer, and then below this, we can say, upper epidermis, we have the palisade mesophyll, and then we have the irregularly arranged cells, which are the spongy mesophyll. So what will happen, air containing most of the carbon dioxide will be taken in by this leaf during the daytime, because the stomata, they are open. Now here I have mentioned here this is stoma, basically, because it is singular. If we talk about only one pore, that will be stoma. If we talk about more than one pore, then that will be called as stomata. So what will happen, the air will be taken in by the leaf, by means of stomata. So whenever the air containing most of the carbon dioxide it is taken in, so this carbon dioxide will be absorbed by the palisade mesophyll and the spongy mesophyll cell, so that this carbon dioxide must combine with the water which is present inside these cells in order to carry out the process of photosynthesis. In this way the gaseous exchange takes place in the plants during the daytime as well as night time. I hope so that you understand. Thank you very much.